A beautiful A-line skirt may look simple, but achieving that clean, elegant flare while maintaining a good fit at the waist and hips requires more than simply widening the hem. The real key is knowing where the fullness comes from, how to control it, and how to transfer that fullness into the pattern correctly. And that is exactly what we are exploring in this premium class at DOSEfashions Academy. We begin with a properly fitted skirt foundation. Instead of leaving the traditional double darts in place, we manipulate the darts and transfer dart shaping into the skirt. This is where dart manipulation and slasher spread become powerful pattern-making techniques. This is DOSEfashions Academy. By closing the darts and opening the pattern strategically towards the hem, we create controlled fullness without losing the fitted shape around the waist and hips. The result, a graceful A-line silhouette that flows beautifully away from the body. You can also see that. But this lesson is not simply about drawing lines and cutting paper. We take the time to understand why each line is placed where it is. You will see how the dart intake is distributed, how the pattern is opened, and how the amounts of spread affects the final fullness of the skirt. This is important because the goal is not simply to make a skirt wide. The goal is to create intentional fullness with structure and balance. And one of the beautiful things about this method is that you can achieve a generous A-line effect without automatically using excessive amounts of fabrics. Amazing. That makes the technique practical for both personal sewing and professional dressmaking. Once the pattern is complete, we move from drafting to sewing. Here we focus on translating the pattern accurately into fabric. The fabric preparation, cutting, joining, waistline construction, and finishing all matters. Because a beautifully drafted pattern can still produce a poor garment if the sewing and finishing are not handled correctly. Throughout the lesson, we pay attention to the details that give the finished skirt that clean, professional, and polished appearance. This is the difference between simply making a skirt and understanding how to construct one professionally. And then we see the transformation from the basic fitted skirt foundation to a beautifully shaped A-line silhouette. The fullness flows naturally from the waist and hip towards the hem, while the upper part remains controlled and flattering. The technique can be adapted to many different garments and style. You can use the same understanding when creating skirts for dresses, evening wears, occasional wear, and other fashion designs. Once you understand the principle, you're no longer limited to copying one particular design. You can begin creating your own variations. How beautiful! And that is what DOSEfashions Academy Premium class is about. We don't just show you what to do, we teach you why it works so you can confidently recreate the technique using your own measurements, fabrics, and design. If you're ready to strengthen your pattern drafting and sewing skills and learn professional techniques that you can actually apply to your fashion business, this premium class is for you. Join the DOSEfashions Academy A-line skirt drafting and sewing class today. Learn the technique, understand the process, and turn your creativity into professional finished garments. Sign up now using the link in the comment section or message dosefashions1@gmail.com. I'll see you in class.